Welcome everybody back to the channel. Today we are apartment hunting once again, and we are checking out apartments and places for rent between the price range of $4,500 to $5,000. So if you have a place like this, you know you are totally ballin'. Or if your parents are the owners of the apartment, that works too. Alright, so let's get started. Whoa! So this place was only posted 8 minutes ago. Alright, let's totally check this out. So this is $4,899 a month. It is 3 bed and 1.5 bath. It is 3,880 square feet. That is massive. Alright, so we have a nice kitchen area space with great appliances. Looks like a very nice and bright spot as well. Wow, nice. Get some good angles. Ooh. Alright, so we can tell a lot of cupboards and like rooms here. So here we have laundry. Very, very nice. Looks like the 3rd bedroom. Right. Wow, this place is huge. Places that we've seen in the past. This place looks very, very nice. Alright, so now we got some close-ups. Alright, so one of the rooms. Another angle of the room. Very nice. Alright. So here are the different rooms. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna presume that the living space and kitchen is made a lot wider while the rooms are made a bit smaller. 3 bedrooms. Okay. Great views and great washrooms as well, by the way. Very nice. Alright, and this is like the outside area. Nice. Okay. And this is possibly what the building looked like. Very interesting. Alright, and also comment below if you prefer to, if you would split this with roommates. And let's check out the neighborhood. It might be in a really good neighborhood that might be really worth it. So we are in Greenpoint, and we have a really, really high score for the walk score and bike score. So that's actually pretty cool. Alright, so this is 4,500, 2 bed, 1 bath. Looks like we've got some pictures of the tenants' stuff. So, okay, here we have the layout. Very nice. Okay. And I like to see stuff in the building too. Kind of gives you an approximation of how the stuff will fit. Very nice. Empty room too. Alright, and here is your kitchen. Alright, so it looks like more of a cream colored. Oh, actually, it might just be the tint of the photo itself and not exactly the color of the washroom. Okay. Not too bad. Wow. Also, comment below if you know anybody living in New York who pays $5,000 a month for their rent, and if they live by themselves or if they live with roommates. Alright, so let's check this one out, which is $4,600 a month, 1 bed, 1 bath, for 714 square feet. Okay, so wow, looks like a large living space. Oh, great layout. Alright, so this is like the living room, nice kitchen, lots of cabinets and cabinetry. Very nice bedroom, washroom, great mirrors. Ooh, got an indoor pool. Very nice. And this would be your view from the rooftop. Very nice. This is actually pretty cool. Love the layout of it as well. The views must be insanely awesome. Wow. Alright, so, wow, we have hit 100 on the transit score and 98 on the walk score. So this is definitely a paradise for those who may not have vehicles. And New York City, probably not going to have a vehicle. Let us know if you prefer to live in Manhattan or if you like to live a little outwards just for rent prices and for everything to be a little easier. Possibly you prefer to be on Staten Island. Let us know. And if you want to see a specific spot, comment down below as well, and we could make a video just for you. Alright, thanks for watching.